Positive Academy, and in today's video I am going to share selling books. You see, selling is the most important skill one needs to have. At every point of your life you are selling something. For example, right now I am selling the books that I know, the knowledge that I have about different type of books on selling. Even if you are meeting someone, you are selling yourself. So selling is the most important skill one you can have. And there are different kind of books. So first in our list is To Sell You Is Human by Daniel H. Pink. This is an amazing book regarding selling, how to improve your selling skills. So this is the first in our list. I am sure you might have known other books which I am about to recommend. Next is Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert B. Cialdini. In other my recommendation also I have mentioned this book, but for selling also it is very, very much useful. Why? Because the psychology of human being, it is very much essential to know, and for that it is a must. Next in our list is The Art of War by Sun Tzu. Though it is regarding war and something, but it tells you the strategy how to get over it. So that's the reason I have included this in our selling books. So this is the third recommendation, The Art of War by Sun Tzu. Next, this is the most evergreen book, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. I have already recommended before also, but right now in the selling this is the most important. Why? Because when you are selling, you are you must know the people, and for knowing the people, the skills required you can learn from this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Next in our list is How to Become a Rainmaker by Jeffrey J. Fox. This is also a must if you are into selling. This will help you to get clients, to get customers, how you can make an impact on the selling world. The next is The Psychology of Selling by the master of selling, Brian Tracy. This is also a must if you want to have higher sales and if you want to achieve something through selling. Remember, every day we do selling. Selling is the most important skill right now in the entire universe. Next, the one and only Grant Cardone, The Secrets of Selling. This is amazing book. It has so much insights about selling, and he's the master, the Grant Cardone, right? So these are some of the books that I recommend. These are about 7 books, all on selling. I will mention all the links in the description. You can go through or you can purchase from the Amazon. This will help the channel also, right? So I will repeat some of the books. First is The Secret of Selling by Grant Cardone. Next is The Psychology of Selling by Brian Tracy. Then comes How to Be a Rainmaker by Jeffrey J. Fox. Next, How to Win Friends and Influence People by one and only Dale Carnegie. Next, The Art of War by Sun Tzu. It will help you to strategize yourself into building relationship and how you can tackle yourself. Next is The Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert B. Cialdini. And last but not least is To Sell Is Human by Daniel H. Pink. So these are my book recommendations for selling. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and also see my other recommendation. I will be mentioning in the I button all the book recommendations up till now, till I have done. I am a bibliophile, so I love to collect books, and simultaneously I have read a few of the books, but not all of them, right? So this is Uzaifa from Positive Academy. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to receive the regular dose of positivity. Thank you.